New Mexico Rockies, 5 to 6 to 10 to 16 inches of rain or of snow. That's feet of snow that fell in the high elevations. It's a very potent storm system that's headed across the plains, and we're going to be on the warm side of it, the side where the humidity is increasing, Gulf moisture is increasing, which means a chance for some severe weather. A dry line sets up today. So between 2 and 10 o'clock, it's a low risk, mainly a wind and a hail risk, and not every storm will be severe. It doesn't take much this time of year when the storm systems are so cold aloft to get hail. So hail is possible, but also a very low tornado risk. Look at the spin with the storm, and the upper level low is skirting by in the plains. It's lifting more northerly, so the rain chances stay mainly into western Oklahoma, and it's raining pretty heavily now in the panhandles. Thunderstorms ongoing, severe storm right now to the south and to the west of Amarillo down over Earth, Texas, that is moving up to the north and northeast. We've got a little rain going on in Laverne, Buffalo. Marty Logan texted me. He said above him in Fort Supply, he's got stars, but looking off to the west, he can see lightning now with those thunderstorms coming on in. So again, we'll check in with our trackers through the day. Best chance of rain through mid-morning will be out in the west, which brings us to the metro. We have a lot of stars, so we can see here as well. Clear skies, 48 degrees on our Lucky Star Sky Cam network. It's 57 in Guthrie, 54 at Lake Thunderbird, 57 in Yukon. Average lows are in the low 40s, so we're well above normal, and our highs, of course, close to records over the next several days. A few 30s in low-lying areas to the east, but generally with the south winds up and some cloud cover coming in from the west, temperatures are pretty mild to kick off the day. At lunchtime, 75, 81 by 3 o'clock. So now that you're getting back into the swing of things, especially the kiddos heading back to school after fall break, plan to dress for a warm one. Lower, even some mid-80s, and the 80s turn to 90s over the next few days. But I want to get you to your storm chances, and we'll talk about the threats today, show you just how tightly wound up and compact this area of low pressure is. It's not hard to find on water vapor imagery. It's really pulling up the jet stream from the southwest. It's giving us what we call wind shear, and again, eventually a dry line that makes its way in from the west. So initially, a few showers, few thunderstorms in northwestern Oklahoma may have around midday into the early afternoon. Some good rains out of some of this, and then some isolated storms try to fire late afternoon and evening, and these are the ones that could be on the stronger side or possibly low end severe, and they will push off to the east. Some data keeps them around into the evening and tries to bring them into Oklahoma City as they're weakening. We'll see. They may not weaken that much. Data doesn't have a great handle on what's going on with the current rain right now. So really the ingredients are what we have to go by, and the ingredients are favorable to get a few storms. It's a 30% chance in OKC, 60 to a 70% chance in the northwest. I want to show you the tornado zone. This is not a likely chance. It's a very low chance. But with the way this storm is coming out, rotating storms are possible, and it won't take much to get a brief spin up. So a low risk in northwestern Oklahoma. Quarter size hail on average, but may have some golf ball size hail, and winds 60 to 70 miles per hour. That moves on by overnight tonight. Temperatures will fall into the 50s. We're in the upper